Hi there, business owners. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to convert Canva to Google Slides. Now, if you've used Canva for presentations before, or you create presentations in in PowerPoint, then you know that a midway of having the presentation in a Microsoft PowerPoint format, but still accessible online, is through Google Slides. So how do you convert your Canva to Google Slides? That's going to be the topic of this tutorial. Now let's open a presentation here, which I have said before. It is not something I did from scratch, but hey, it's a presentation. It's just a template presentation I got from Canva. So now we did a tutorial before on how to save Canva as a PowerPoint file. But this one will be about how do you save it as a Google Slides file so you can access it from anywhere. So what we do is, again, it's very simple. You go to Share, and then you go to, actually there are two ways of doing it. Let's see the first way. The first way is you go More, and then you go to Google Drive. And say you choose a folder, choose Drive folders, and just save it here, my Drive folders. So I choose this, right? And you can choose any format, because if you want the slides to be editable, you choose PNG, PDF, or JPEG, obviously. But if you want it to be, if you don't want them to be editable, if you want them to be fixed, then you use this, especially if you know that you have to do no more changes in it and you can just download them as static images. That's fine. That's how you do it in these formats. But if you want to still make edits, then you choose it as a PowerPoint document. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm just keeping it very simple here. Okay, it has now been saved. Now I just go and open up my Google Drive. And I think I saved it in my Drive folders. So here you go, test presentation. And I can simply open it up here. So now I have my presentation in the cloud to be accessible anywhere and editable also anywhere. So that's an easy way that you can convert your Canva presentations to Google Slides. What you can also do, of course, is from Google Drive or from here, you can also open your presentation that has been saved before on your desktop. So I'm just going to my computers, and I have a presentation saved from Canva before over here on my laptop, and I can just open it over here, and that would still be the same. So now you have a Canva presentation saved very nicely in your Google Drive. You can edit, you can do whatever you want over here. And you have it accessible always as on the go. Okay, so that's how you save your Canva slides as a your Google Slides of Canva presentation as a Google Slides file. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.